In this video, I show you how to make a game pass on Roblox iPad. Start by selecting More from the bottom menu, then go up and select Create. This will open the Roblox Creator Hub. Go to the side menu, then select Creations. If you don't see the side menu, then click the 3-line icon to open it. Next, select one of your experiences. Everyone should have a default experience. If you don't, then you can create one. You may need to tap on your experience twice to open it. Go to the side menu again, then head down to the monetization heading and select Passes from just below. Tap on the Create a Pass button and a new page will load. Here you will see your Game Pass image. You can change this by selecting the Change button and using one of the options. To use a photo from your album, select Photo Library. Find and select the photo that you want to use, then tap Done at the top. Select the name box. Then replace the text with whatever you want to name your pass. I'll just be calling mine Game Pass. Add a description if you want, then head down and tap on the Create Pass button. Wait for the page to load. It may take a moment, then tap on your Game Pass. You may need to tap on it twice. Head to the side menu and select Sales. Turn on the Item for Sale option, then select the default price box. Enter in the amount you want the Game Pass to be. This is how much it will cost other people. However, you will only receive 70% of the value. If you are using the Game Pass in another experience like Please Donate, then you'll get 60%. Go down and disable regional pricing if you want the amount to remain the same. Or if your Game Pass is for Please Donate, then tap on the Save Changes button. Click the back button to get back to the Passes page. Repeat the process to make as many Game Passes as you need, then select Settings from the side. Set the privacy setting to public if it isn't already, then go down and save changes. This will ensure your Game Pass can be purchased and will appear in Please Donate. You now know how to make a Game Pass in Roblox on iPad. Please leave a like if you found the video helpful.